I've been getting that itch to get this thing lifted. We've had it for 2 years now, and I'm seeing a lot of your videos out there, guys, with the lift. You got the Weldtech, you got the Action Van, and it's like peer pressure. I gotta do something with this. It's been 2 years, and my sway bars, the bushings under there are shot. So when I'm driving down these rough roads, there's a lot of cowbell going on there. There's too much cowbell. So I've been itching now to get my suspension upgraded, and I'm not sure whether to go with Weldtech or Action Van, but I've done my community poll and the consensus looks like Action Van, but who knows. I did meet Jeremy to talk about lifting this thing, and cool guy, and like John says, he can sell ketchup to a hot dog or whatever, but it's all gonna be 20 years old next year. I did upgrade to Monroe's when I was in the forest last year, and that did help a little bit with the ride. I'm on 16s, 265, 75 16s, and they're the general grabbers. I like these because the BF Goodridges I've had, they just wore down too quickly, and these have lasted pretty good. The tread's pretty nice, and rated E for hefty. So one of the reasons that I want to get this thing lifted is because of that rattling noise, and it's pretty jarring when we hit bumps on the freeway. Everything rattles, everything feels like an earthquake in there. So we want to lift it up a bit and get a little more comfort out of this ride. And then, oh, there goes the fan. And we weren't really planning on being out here this long, 2 years. And we don't know how much longer we're going to be in this, so it could be another 2, could be another 3, could be 5, could be 10, whenever that lottery hits for us. So we'll be in this thing, and I think it'll be an investment, just like the roof was that was a good investment. So yeah, that's one of the reasons too, to get this thing finally lifted, just to upgrade that whole bottom part of the van. So we got the whole top done, we got and we're gonna get that bottom all fixed up. That's part of the itch too. Also, we like to camp out further out where there isn't anybody when we're up in the forests, or even out here in the deserts. And I'd like to be able to have the confidence to hit washes, or, you know, bumpier spots where I need clearance, where the rocks are a little bit bigger. So after this, I feel like we should just go get the lift. Quit fucking lollygagging.
Yeah.
And hopefully a lift would help with the swaying back and forth. Also, one of the reasons I'd like to lift is because of the bigger tires. I am rubbing in the back there when I do a harder turn. So getting a lift would definitely give me that clearance so I can turn proper without rubbing those tires. And I also like the idea of being up higher and seeing over the traffic in front of me. That's always nice to be able to see over those little cars or even some trucks. This thing is basically a truck, and it's already got some good ground clearance, but a little more height would be nice to pick up the sag in the back right there. And that sag in the front looks like it needs some work too. So those are my reasons why I'm having the itch. And I've been watching all of these lift videos with John Drives Anything, and then seeing everybody else's comments, and basically like reviews. You guys are happy with your lifts no matter which one you guys get, Weldtech or Action Van. So let's see what I end up with. I ended up going with the